Welcome to Klahanie Service Center. We're happy to service all your car and truck service and repair needs. We've been here for a long time and are proud to be servicing longtime customers and even the adult kids of those who we serviced years ago. We're open 7 days per week, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. We have mechanics on duty Monday through Saturday. Come in, call, or schedule an appointment today.
What is a luxury car? And what makes them earn the distinction of being luxurious? Defining a luxury car was once an easy task when there were a select few luxury brands available, like Cadillac, Lincoln, Mercedes-Benz, or the uber-luxurious Bentley and Rolls-Royce. But over the past few decades, other car makers have brought new names to the luxury family, like Lexus, which is owned by Toyota, and Infiniti, which is owned by Nissan. There are a few characteristics that all true luxury cars share. They are made with high-quality parts, including expensive interior materials and sometimes a powerful V8 or V12 engine. The best luxury cars will pamper a driver and passengers with comfort, isolating them from road imperfections and noise. According to Kelley Blue Book, another item to note is the insurance. Luxury cars carry a higher insurance premium because the car can be more expensive to repair or replace after an accident or after it's stolen. Many luxury car manufacturers offer better and thorough service maintenance programs as part of your purchase. But for service and repairs that are not covered, costs can be considerably higher than for a standard vehicle. Luxury cars also offer more safety features than their lesser expensive counterparts. They have state-of-the-art technology. They tend to retain a higher resale value. And of course, and for some most importantly, there is nothing like the prestige of owning and driving a true luxury car.
Like our video and share it. Thanks for watching. We'll have another one for you next month.